Alright, so this right here is a bird of paradise, and I just think I put it in a spot where it doesn't get quite enough sun. So I'm going to use my new tools that I ordered from Amazon for pretty cheap. Move it over to, I think, just right over there, a little bit further that way, and then it'll get more direct sun during the day, because this far back close to the house it kind of gets shaded too long. So, all right, and there she is in her new spot. And look at this, we even got a little piece of Woodallia with it, so that'll be nice. Get that growing further over this direction. All I gotta do is soak it in. Alright, I figured out a solution to planting this rosemary that I brought from the front yard to the backyard, and I accidentally planted it right where I had forgotten that I planted this beautiful ornamental ginger plant, those pretty flowers. So, oh, and this Woodallia came with the rosemary, but I got a solution. I'm going to remove the rosemary from being in the way of the ginger. You know what? I don't really need it there. I can get more rosemary planted in better spots. And I can even still leave some of the rosemary. So. How's that? That's a little better. And here is my trumpet vine in its new home. And just as I'm planting it there, I'm thinking, well, God, I hope that this spot's going to be sunny enough. And I know it's kind of dappled shade right now, but it does get a little bit more early morning sun. And then I believe a little later in the day, it'll start getting some more direct sun there in this spot again. But as it grows up through here and I trim all this stuff back, it should be able to reach sunlight from over here. And it doesn't matter because it's going to spread everywhere around the yard anyway. As it's probably even where I took it from, it's still going to remain there. But all I got left to do is throw some mulch on there and then water it in, and that'll do it for this week, folks. Yeah, and well, let's just check out this jasmine here. Look at this thing. It starts down here and grows up here to this palm tree and is now just taken over the whole trunk of the palm tree here. And that's pretty cool too, because now the palm tree is all healthy, and you can see the flowering of the palm tree with the just all kinds of pollinators just swarming it up there, which is so cool. If you can see that, I don't know, in there. But anyway, forget to like and subscribe. Oh, but also happy 4th of July, everybody. And God bless America.